My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site News-dinohu.cc. News-dinohu.cc is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But when people mistakenly do that and click on allow, the browser is hijacked and contaminated with plenty of advertisements that would be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser, access the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions area and choose notifications. Now research the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any junk sites if you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. We also recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully examining the system. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, after the antivirus database has been successfully updated, click on Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify and eliminate all sorts of threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove any other malware, including pop-ups, browser redirection issues, and other issues that could possibly be related to your computer problems. So use Combo Cleaner for thorough cleanup of your computer from all kinds of malware that could possibly remain on the system.